Hello everyone. Today's question is 10 divided by 5, bracket 1 plus 2. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. In the brackets, 1 plus 2 is 3. If we multiply 2 by the bracket, that's 2 times 3 equals 6. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer according to the BODMAS rule. First, we solve the brackets, then division, multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. Division and multiplication have the same priority, so we check from left to right. When checking from left to right, we solve the operation that comes first, and then the next one. This is just like how we handle addition and subtraction. In this question, it's 10 divided by 5. So first, we'll solve the brackets. Inside the brackets, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now, let's write the further solution. 10 divided by 5, and in brackets, 2. We'll multiply by the bracket now. So 10 divided by 5 times 2. Now, according to BODMAS, we'll check from left to right. The first operation is division, then multiplication. So 10 divided by 5 times 2. 5 goes into 10 two times, so 2 times 2 equals 4. This is the right answer.